Hi guys, welcome back to my channel for a new video. I'm so stoked to be here, and today I'm gonna go with the 5 things I like about my van. It's not the videos I usually make, but I wanted to give you my opinion on what I like about the car and what I dislike about the car. So the first thing I love about my van or my truck or my camper truck conversion, I don't know how to call it yet. It's the 4-wheel drive system. It's so convenient for me that lives in Canada. It's why I bought the truck in the first place. I just wanted an off-road vehicle that could take me places a normal vehicle couldn't. In Canada, we have a lot of snow, so when I want to go explore or go places, I don't want to be stuck in the snow. It can be very dangerous, like being stuck on the side of the road at night. So with the 4Runner and the 4x4 system, I'm sure I can be safe and I can go to the place I want in one piece. The 4-wheel drive versatility is very nice. 4-wheel drive, it's like driving in all-wheel drive all the time, but when you decide to lock your transfer case, it's gonna become a real 4x4. So 50% up front and 50% in the back. So the power is gonna be even. The truck is very good off-road, and talking off-road, the Toyota has the 8-track system. It's basically when you're stuck in mud or in snow or you can't get out of the situation you're in, the truck only has an open differential, so that means only one wheel is gonna spin and the other one won't do anything. So to compensate that, what Toyota does is it's gonna apply the brake on the wheel that has less traction to give more power to the wheel that has better traction. So it's a good system, it's versatile, I love it. The second point I really love about my van conversion is that it is really fun to drive. It's not a big van, it's a little SUV, a little truck that I can drive anywhere. The 4Runner is a V8 4.7 liters, so it's really powerful. It's got a lot of torque on highways. It got a lot of wheel to pass cars. It's very comfortable. You don't hear a lot of noise. It's really well soundproof. I love doing road trips, so having a comfortable truck on highways, I think, and on big roads, I think it's very a must. I love that you can park it everywhere. It is fun to drive off-road, but I will say the truck is on the heavier side, so don't get it stuck in snow because you're gonna have a long day digging it out. The third thing I like about my van is the camper layout. With the 2 shelves in the side and the bed in the middle, it's the perfect solution for this car, this truck. Previously, I had the drawers system where you sleep on top of a drawer. It's like a platform and you have your drawer in the back and you can cook outside. You put all your stuff in and you can just close it. But for me, it was very not practical because in winter, I need to be inside, I need to cook inside. It's so cold outside, and having to switch between the kitchen area outside and making your bed was really a mess. And on top of it, I had this much space to sleep. I'm really tall, I'm 6 feet. For me it was not practical, but now I'm in love with the new camper layout. It turns out really good for what I needed. It's easier to get things out with this setup. I don't have to go outside, open the trunk, open the drawers, and take stuff from there. Okay, so the fourth thing I love about my van is that it's really discreet. I can park everywhere and people won't even notice. From afar, it looks like a regular truck, but it's just the inside that changes. And at night, we cannot see inside the van because I put my Reflectix in the windows. I'm gonna show you. I just put these on. I put the black part on the outside of the windows so people won't see the shiny aluminum finish from afar. I may be gonna change the curtains color because red, it attracts attention a little bit more, but overall it is really stealthy. The fifth thing I love about my van is that is really reliable. Toyota has made their proof over the years to deliver some really good vehicle. I saw people on the forum, on internet, blogs and things like this that had their Forerunners to 200,000 miles and even 300,000 miles. It's incredible. These are bulletproof engines. Thank you very much for watching, guys, and see you in the next videos. Be safe exploring.